A solution of K2Cr2O7 containing 4.9 gram per liter. So this is the strength of the solution. Is used to titrate H2O2 solution of strength 3.4 gram per liter in acidic medium. What volume of K2Cr2O7 will be required? Okay, this is the very important point. Required to react with 20 ml of H2O2 solution, and calculate the strength of H2O2 in terms of available oxygen. So there are two parts to convert this particular one. First one, which is given, strength of K2Cr2O7. Strength of K2Cr2O7 if you take, which is given as 4.9 gram per liter. Now normality of K2Cr2O7, normality of K2Cr2O7 will be equals to strength of the solution by equivalent weight of the solution. This is the formula, which will be equals to 4.9 by 49, which is equals to 0.1 normal. Same way, strength of H2O2 given in the question, which is equals to 3.4 gram per liter. So can we find normality of H2O2 by this way? Normality of H2O2 is again strength by equivalent weight of H2O2, which is equals to 3.4 by 17 is the equivalent weight of H2O2, which is equals to 0.2. So now the question is there, simple. Now K2Cr2O7 is utilized for complete oxidation of H2O2. What volume of K2Cr2O7 is required? So equivalence, or we can say milliequivalence of oxidizing agent is equals to milliequivalence of H2O2. So when I say milliequivalence, normality of oxidizing agent into volume is equals to, this is with respect to oxidizing agent. Who is our oxidizing agent? K2Cr2O7 is our oxidizing agent. Will be equals to normality of H2O2 into volume of H2O2. So normality we know 0.1 into volume is equals to normality 0.2 into volume 20 ml. So we have V is equals to 40 ml. So what is the volume of K2Cr2O7 required? The first part of the question. Volume of K2Cr2O7 required to oxidize completely 20 ml of H2O2 is 40 ml. So the first part of the question is completed. Now second part of the question we will be doing. We know normality is equals to volume strength of H2O2 by 5.6. Now we can write volume strength of H2O2 is equals to normality into 5.6. Normality is equals to, we have 0.2 into 5.6, which comes to be 1.12 liters, 1.12 liters of hydrogen peroxide. So the answer, 1.12 liter of hydrogen peroxide is the volume strength of the H2O2 solution.